Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a recipe that was very delicious but wasn't quite perfect, but I will tell you what I would change the next time I'll do this so that you can make a perfect dish. First off, you want to pre-cook your pasta, and I would not use this kind of pasta again. I would use thinner noodles. Then you want to go ahead and cut down your bell pepper into thin slices. You can do that while the pasta is cooking. You also want to cut down your spring onions into little rings. Now you want to take a pan with some oil and you want to put your chicken into it. Now I didn't use real chicken, this is an alternative that is vegetarian, and you want to cook that for 2 minutes with the oil. After those 2 minutes, you want to throw in the bell pepper slices and you want to cook it for another minute with those. Then you want to pour in some more oil and you want to add in the pasta, and you will see why I will not use this pasta again, because it was one big blob. We managed to save it a little bit, but it was still annoying. Now you want to add in your soy sauce and mix that in really well and take it off the heat. And then you also want to add in the spring onions as well as the mint leaves, and I ripped up the mint leaves a little bit so they would give off their flavor. And last but not least, I used an Asia spice mix, and I will list down below some recommendations what you could throw in there as spices so it gets that very nice Asian taste. And yeah, as I said, it tasted fine. I was just a bit disappointed with the pasta, so next time I will use a different kind. I hope this inspired you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!